Hi social media family, my name is Tom Penland. I am the general manager at Nelson Mazda here in Tulsa, 99th and Memorial. We're standing outside of my store, as you can see, looking at the service department. We want to talk a little bit today about some of the amazing benefits of having your car serviced here at Nelson Mazda. First of all, great access. We're right here off of the highway. It's often been said you can be anywhere in Tulsa in 15 minutes. And so we have great access here at 99th and Memorial. We'd love to have you come by and service your car. I want to take just a minute and show you some of the benefits. So just follow me. We're going to head into the service drive. We have service concierges that are always ready and willing. As you see, we have Miss Lauren here that's ready to take care of your needs. Like if you go to a 5-star hotel, you have an entire service concierge team that's there to take care of you. So when you pull in, they're going to greet you. They're going to ask you if you need coffee or water. Really, they're there just to attend to your needs. And then also during that time, we provide a complimentary vacuum service. There's some other services that we provide complimentary that our service concierge team take care of. And then of course, they introduce you to our service advisors, who by the way, are all salaried employees. No person earns a living based on commission. It's all based on a salary. So come see us, 99th and Memorial. You cannot miss us. Hope to see you soon.